Welcome back. As a campus fire has now reached the Women's Commission for Delhi, Kargil Martyrs' daughter Gurmeher Kaur, who claimed that she was sexually harassed during the clashes at Ramjas College last week, has now filed a complaint. TV Today Network's managing editor Rahul Kavala earlier spoke to the student leaders of ISA and ABVP, the two factions who were involved in the Ramjas College clash. Take a listen.
Pratap Sinha.
Hello.
He's a BJP MP from Mysore. I want my camera person Zahir to just show this on the screen right now. He's put out this two window. On the one side you've got Gurmeher Kaur, soldier's daughter, and you've got Dawood Ibrahim, policeman's son. Now this is coming from a BJP MP comparing Gurmeher Kaur with Dawood Ibrahim. Now where is the comparison? Is that not terribly unfortunate coming from an elected representative? Prerna?
Sir, I do not want to comment on this. It must be his personal view. Firstly, Gurmeher Kaur, she is having her opinion, but if she is trying to portray ABVP as a goon, I can comment on that. I cannot comment what a minister said. ABVP and BJP are two different parties, and I do not want to comment on that. What I believe is what Gurmeher is posting against ABVP, that should be stopped. That she's not afraid of ABVP. Nobody should be afraid of ABVP. ABVP is standing for your rights. It's a student organization. It has always stood up for the rights of students. So I do not believe that you should portray us as a goon if we stand up for our country. If we fight back when somebody is trying to hurt the integrity of the country, I do not think you should call us a goon. And if that makes us a goon, when we fight for our country, when we fight back, when we are being molested, when we fight back, when we think that the integrity of the country and the unity of the country is going to get hurt, then yes, we are better considered as nationalist goons than to be called
Okay, you're saying we are happy being considered nationalist goons if the integrity of this country is under threat. Kamalpreet Kaur of the ISA, you know, the point that Prerna makes is you can oppose us, that's no problem, they're saying, but she's saying her fundamental objection is to anyone who wants to raise slogans which talk about breaking up our country. She says that is simply not okay.
See, nobody raised slogans of, about breaking up the country. And every time when ABVP is involved in any instance of hooliganism, any instance of vandalization, any instance of violence, they always bring in this binary. At least let me speak, yaar. At least let me speak and make my point. I didn't interfere in between. Whenever there is some instance of violence, and when a lot of students get outraged, when common students and teachers oppose that violence, every time they bring in this binary between nationalism and anti-nationalism. They did the same thing during Rohit Memula's protest, when Rohit Memula was institutionally murdered. They painted him as anti-national. Same happened in JNU and same is happening in DU. But I want to make it clear that there is no two binaries. Even Gurmeher Kaur, the soldiers and soldiers that they keep on bringing, the soldier and soldier that they always talk about. Gurmeher is actually a daughter of that soldier who died for our country. But now, when she is opposing this hooliganism, when she is opposing the violence, they are actually telling her that we will rape you. She is getting all those threats from BJP and Parishad members that they will rape her. I mean, this is what her social media is being flooded with. She's getting those threats. I mean, the common students, like, there are so many. There are some trollers. There are so many trollers. There are so many trollers there. You should see. You should go and see it. You should go and see it. That is there. She is alleging that she is getting raped. Now you are actually going to question her. Whatever they are doing, they are completely, this is completely unethical. The whole character assassination of Gurmeher is going by whatever their MP posted. This is so shameful. How can he compare Gurmeher with Dawood Ibrahim? How can he compare her?
Civilized way, please. Ladies, let's do this in a civilized way, please. One at a time. Let Kamalpreet complete her argument and then I can have Prerna come in and respond to it. Kamalpreet, go ahead.
Thank you. Basically, whatever they did right now, they do it always. It is not surprising. What happened in Ramjas is not the first instance in DU. I am studying in DU since past 3 years and I know What happened in Khalsa College? They didn't like the play, they imposed a ban. What happened in KMC? They slapped Professor Keval Arora, who organized this movie screening, because they didn't like it. They vandalized the principal office of KMC because they didn't get the permission to hold a fest. They went to SRTC College. A physical education teacher was assaulted. Why? Because they didn't get Satyendra Ravana, the former ABVP president, the permission to use the swimming pool. Every time when they are denied some permission, every time when they don't like something in the campus that is happening, when there is some critical voices speaking in the campus, they go and they think that this is completely normal for them to go and vandalize something. Even here in DU Arts Faculty, where I'm sitting right now, Professor Chaman Lal from JNU, we came to give a talk on Bhagat Singh. Now they vandalize that talk. What is there anti-national about Bhagat Singh? There is nothing anti-national. Every time the Queen journalists came here, they were having an interview on...
Your charge is that the ABVP is unleashing a climate of fear, where anybody who has a point of view which is not in conformity with the ABVP point of view, ABVP is coming down on that person. She's saying that this is dangerous. Prerna, you've heard Kamalpreet, now you must respond.
And now what happened in Ramjas College? It was only violence. It was violence, one-sided violence that was...
Covered. And maintain the dignity. Firstly, I would like to comment on this topic that when Umar Khalid is not allowed in the DO, she's talking some, I do not know what she's talking about, these previous cases. I do not want to comment on that. Let's come to this Ramjas incident only. Okay. Umar Khalid was opposed, his entry was opposed because on the name of cultural evening, he was the main organizer of that cultural evening, where we have the videos jahan pe he is, leading the protest with this Afzal Guru ki photo, and he is saying that Afzal tere armano ko hum suli tak hum manzil tak pahunchayenge. He was the main conspirator on the attack on the India Parliament, which is a symbol of democracy in India, and he was the main conspirator in that. Right? If we are opposing Umar Khalid's entry, why is it a controversy? In JNU, Indira Gandhi's entry was opposed. In JNU, our president, he was Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, JNU Students Union SAISA president, he refused to give him a bouquet. Dr. Manmohan Singh was shown a black flag in JNU, but why did it never become an issue? Why it was never a controversy? I do not know what the credibility Umar Khalid holds, that he's been invited, he's been called, and then few people give it a nationwide coverage that Umar Khalid's entry has been stopped. You call us a Gunda Parishad just because we oppose somebody who belongs to an, I do not want to label him that, but I just want to say that yes, he is an anti-national element, and ABVP and every common student, every NCC cadet will oppose him if any anti-national element starts growing in this campus. We will be there to stop him. And when Kamalpreet is talking about, we just start violating the campus norms, and we are after everybody who tries to say something, and we are after a ban. See, I do not think we do this kind of things. You people are the one who victimize and over-vandalize, overshow everything. This is what I believe, Kamalpreet. So please,
Kamalpreet, respond. Anybody with known anti-India views, that's the argument. I'm not necessarily agreeing with the argument. I'm only moderating the debate. Her charge is that anybody with known anti-India views coming to the campus will be opposed. Umar Khalid's politics is opposed by the ABVP. They're saying we will always continue to oppose us, and if that's the reason you want to call us a Gunda Parishad, so be it.
I want to clarify. See, even I don't agree with Umar Khalid on lot many issues, but I have this dignity that I can honor those differences and I can question him in that seminar room. This is what we believe, and the difference between ABVP and any other common student and professors who were there to listen to Umar Khalid was that in spite of having differences with him, they were there to honor the atmosphere of discussion that we have in our campus spaces. You could have come to the seminar room, you could have asked him why, what happened in JNU. There was full liberty for you to come and question, but you didn't do that. Second, even when ABVP came and protested, the invitation to Umar Khalid was cancelled. But what happened next? The other sessions that were happening, the other session was not about Umar Khalid, the other session was on sexuality. Now, coming to women's question is also anti-national. That they locked the seminar hall from outside. They started pelting stones on the students and teachers. This is not nationalism, and you don't have the right to paint anybody nationalist or anybody anti-nationalist. We are not here to get certificates from you. I don't think my nationalism needs any definition from you who didn't participate in the freedom struggle as well. We don't need any certificates from you people. We don't need certificates from those people who have these programs in our campus on Hindu Rashtra. Whenever they have any program in Rio, they have this Bhagwa Chanda in their hand. And right now they are having this Tiranga March. Who are you trying to blind people? How many times will you blind people in the name of nationalism? One day when another time you will vandalize
Now
the
you
program
must
that you are known
respond.
for.
Prerna, now you must respond. She's saying it's not about whether you agree. It's not about whether you agree with Umar Khalid or his politics. If you wish to oppose him, you can do so peacefully. Resorting to stone pelting, beating up people, logging up auditoriums, they're saying that is not okay. Let Prerna respond to Kamalpreet.
Sir.
Prerna, go ahead.
Sir, the point is we didn't start violence on our side. We didn't start violence on our side. When this seminar was stopped, it was okay. It was not only the ABVP who opposed the entry of Umar Khalid. It was the Ramji Students Union which called up that and told us that there are anti-national slogans going on in this Ramjas college. We have a clear video in which they are saying Kashmir mange azadi, Buxar mange azadi, Bastar mange azadi. We were there to oppose that. We were not there to oppose your freedom of speech or freedom of expression. We invite you to have a healthy debate. Kamalpreet, if you remember, you were in arts faculty last day and I told you, Kamalpreet, hold on, and you just ran away. We were there for a healthy discussion. You did not cooperate, and you are the same lady who is talking about the freedom of expression in the healthy discussion. Firstly, do not show me these double standards. You do not remember me, Kamalpreet. Kamalpreet.
You can't
Yeah. We were three girls. You were going out with your friend.
You can't justify what you did.
Arts faculty, Kamalpreet, you guys,
you can't do it. You can't do it.
We did not do any kind of violence. We did not.
You can't justify your Ramjas violence by saying, Kamalpreet, come and let's have a debate.
Now you lie, obviously.
Why you didn't let the Ramjas college debate happen? This is the question. Why you did?
I am not justifying anything. I am just telling you. I am just trying to show you double standards. Kamalpreet, when I am talking, stay quiet. I didn't say anything when you were speaking. When I am saying stay quiet.
There is an FIR on that.
Do you have a proof that we started pelting stones? You were the one to begin the violence. You were the one. अगर आप भाई देश को तोड़ने की बात करोगे, if you
Why did you
Oh, please. If you talk about every state asking for freedom,
it was organized by the Literary Society of Ramjas College. At least keep the facts clear. It was not organized by
people who are there, Shaila Rashid was there, just stop lying, Kamalpreet, people of your part. You stop fooling the people. Firstly, you guys fool people. Kamalpreet, firstly, you guys, you just check your timeline. You just check the timeline of your people. You are spreading rumors. You are creating a scary.
College was disrupted.
You are creating.
Rashid came. First day the talk was vandalized. It was organized by the Literary Society of that college. Since past 1 month they were preparing for it. They had the permission from the college principal.
It was a protest for the DU students.
Even the college union was aware about it. But the next day the ABVP decides to actually vandalize it, and then you come in hands with the college union.
They are the anti-national elements. If you guys think that you will dominate or manipulate people by these rumors, if you think that you guys will manipulate people about your rumors, telling that there has been section 144 imposed in the campus, PG or hostel rates, you are the one to create this scary environment in the campus, and then you talk about these double standards. Yes, we stand up for nationalism. Yes, we will always oppose you if you talk about tearing the country apart. You are the one to talk about I am asking you if every state is demanding its freedom from the nation.
That is what
I do
you
not
always
know
do.
where
will
India
not-
will go.
You never
You
talk
are the
about
one
issue. You
who
never
studied.
talk about the violence that you people did in Ramjas
This
College.
is
You
what
will only
always
start
you
with the
do.
personal standing.
Kamalpreet, this is what
It's okay.
always you do.
You are doing the personal standing of Gurmeher, that is there. You are doing the personal standing of me
just stop
during this
dominating
channel.
with
You
your
can know
so-called
it is fine that you can do
intellectualism.
it.
If we stand
You
up for
can
our
do
country,
it. That is what you are doing
we
to
did not
Gurmeher.
initiate any
That
kind
is
of
what your
violence.
people,
We
that
did
is what
not
Satinder Ravana
initiate
is
any kind of
posting on
violence.
Facebook.
Your
That she
boys
is Gurmeher God, what is she
molested our
doing?
girls, but
She's
that
trying
is
to
not
capture
given
the
a national
limelight. That
coverage.
is what you are
Your
urging.
boys.
You are putting rape threats on her. That is what you are doing.
I did not.
Then you should give
You
her
talk
FIR.
about.
Now you
Talk to
should
me.
file
I
an
did not
FIR.
give
Ladies,
any
one at a
comment. I
time,
did
please.
not cover Preet.
One
I did
second.
not give any
One
comment.
of Prerna, one of the
Arey, we
points
did
that
file an
Kamalpreet
FIR.
is making
Kamalpreet.
is that Gurmeher Kaur is being threatened with rape. Ever since she came out and said what she did, that she's being trolled and that there are people who she accuses lean towards the ABVP who are threatening her with rape. Now, how is that appropriate, Prerna?
At least give her the dignity to actually oppose you.
Kavalpreet, do
Why
you have any
people
proof? I
oppose
just want
that?
to say this
If
simple
she's
line.
opposing
Even
you,
even
then
even
just
ask,
actually,
even
you know,
if
get in
somebody
dialogue
from
with her.
if our random girls, if a random girl comes and say that I have been threatened and I have been given rape threats by ISA, will you believe it? Gurmeher Kaur do not have any advocate proof against anybody from the ABVP. If you have any sort of recording, if you have given rape threats, please show us. If you have any sort of proof, please show. You know, do not try to defame ABVP because it's in power. If you want to win DUSU elections, please do come, but do not try these cheap tactics, okay? We are there to...
What is happening?
So just stay quiet till I speak, right? When you do not, when you are not accomplished, if you have been so true, people of Delhi University very well know what you guys do. They voted for ABVP.
The debate is not about Kavalpreet. The debate is about the facts what you did in Ramjas
If you have
College.
been doing so much for the nation, or
Everybody know how ABVP wins in elections. You don't have to talk
I am
about
talking
that.
about that
Everybody
only.
do.
You are talking
You
about
don't have to question
ABVP.
my nationalism. I have not given you the certificate to label me.
Yeah.
I have not given you I am not giving you the right to question my
And you do
nationalism.
not have
Who
to,
are
you do not,
to define my nationalism. You are nobody.
Similarly,
You are the people who
cannot
ran away
call
from
me
the
a goon.
freedom movement.
Similarly,
You
you
don't have
cannot
to
call
give me
me
the
a goon
certificate. I'm
if
not
I
here
stand
to
up for
collect certificates.
Even you are
I'm not
nobody
here
to
to collect
label
any
ABVP as a
certificates
goon.
from you.
You people are nobody to label ABVP as a goon.
Then
You
at
people
least should
are
have
nobody.
You should have a
And even
healthy
I'm not
debate
here to
with me
give you
now.
any certificate. But if you talk about,
You are selling
Kavalpreet,
certificates.
as
I'm
an
not here to
NCC
sell
cadet, if
certificates.
somebody talks about
Good.
tearing my nation apart, I will always stand against him. We are not giving any kind of certificate. Yeah, right. We are not giving any kind
Nobody
of
is saying
certificate.
that
We are
I will tear
nobody
the
to
nation apart.
threaten you. We are nobody
Who is saying that we are
snatch
going
your
to tear
right
the
from
nation apart? You are indulging in violence. Every time you indulge in violence, you come up
Similarly,
with
Kamalpreet,
this false
similarly.
binary of nationalism, anti-nationalism. Still, how many times
do
will you
not-
keep on justifying your hooliganism by
Okay.
saying this is nationalist, this is
If we
anti-nationalist?
indulge in
There
violence,
will be
then
one
you
time
just
when your own
stand there
cadres
and say,
will stop
come and beat
believing
us.
it.
You stand there and say, come and beat us. Kamalpreet. Talk some sense. If violence breaks out, you're not the one to stay quiet. You are the one to initiate the violence. You are the one to start the molestation, and then you talk about hearing. Then you call us and label us as a Gunda Parishad. I do not know what you guys are saying. I do not know what your intellectualism is. But if I lastly say, if standing up for my country, fighting back for my nation makes me a goon and makes ABVP a goon, we are better nationalist goon. This is what I want to say and tell all these ISA and all the people who try to tear my country apart. That's it.
Okay, I'm going to leave it there. We're not taking sides because tempers are running so high and the debate is so polarized. We will not take sides. You've heard from the left, you've heard from the right.